So good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about create a sample page using with the React. Create a small and sample page using with the React. Okay, so whenever you want to create a small page, actually, I already told you, page is collection of components, right? Page is collection of components. So here we will create a component as a functional component, and we try to reuse the same component for multiple times, okay. And this concept actually called nested components. Okay, how to work with the nested components. Let me change the theme for VS Code. Let me go for the default dark. Customize the theme. Okay. So I don't want to do the different kind of cases for the Sublime text and all. Okay. 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 One second, guys. I just want to open the previous thing. Okay, so component as a functional component, and we try to reuse the same component for multiple times. That is the agenda. And this concept actually called nested components. Okay. And one more thing, we try to add CSS in different ways for the component. Okay, so this is the same concept. In the same program, we try to implement the CSS in the different ways. That is also be done. Okay, let me open the React project. So last class, I created a project called demo app, I think so. This is the demo app I created. So inside this, what I want to do is I want to let me go with the agenda using with the paint. Okay, I'm going with agenda. So what is the agenda is? It is a kind of a Netflix application or Amazon application, or you can go with the something like uh, Book My Show application, or you can go like AHA application, or you can go like so this is a kind of a Prime Video application, whatever it may be. In the case of representing the images, for example, sometime you will be having the header on top of the page, and you will be having footer. You will be having footer on the bottom of the page, and the center of the screen. You may have the multiple images, for example, multiple sections, okay, multiple grids like this. Okay, so for each and every grid, it may have multiple images. For example, I want to have some image over there. Okay, let me have some image here. Okay, so this is the image, and let me have some title for the image. Okay, so let me have some title for the image. Title of the image over there, and subtitle of the image. Suppose I want to represent a subtitle for the image also. When you want to represent a subtitle for the image, you can display like this. Okay, the same component which is going to be okay. But let me do one thing. Okay, let me do one thing. I just want to have the image like this, or it should be like this. And I want to have the title for that. Okay, let me have the title for that. Sorry, I'm not good at diagram presentation and all. Okay, this is title. Mm. So here it is image, and here it is the title. Let me tell you. What my requirement is, I want to have the same thing for multiple times. Okay. I want to have the same thing for multiple times on top of the screen. Okay. So this is my requirement. This is my requirement. I want to have the same concept for multiple times. Select, copy, paste. Yeah. I want to have the same thing for multiple times. This is the header, right? And this is the footer component. Header component, footer component as usually. Header and footer. So some content I will place on top of the header, some content I will place on top of the footer. And in the center of the page, I want to show some image and title. It may be a different image or it may be a similar image. First of all, we will go with the similar image. Later, we can go with the different images, different titles using with the props concept. Props nothing but a property attached. So how we can able to attach a property for that particular component. Later, we will see that. Okay, so right now I want to build the same page. I want to build the same page. How we can able to build the same page? Okay, so let me stop the image component here. And SRC, go to the app.js. What is available in the app.js? So many things we have previously. I want to delete everything. I don't want to show all these things here. Okay, delete everything. Okay, data div need to be closed. Fine. Okay, so here the thing, I have something like a function. Styles also remove. These two things also remove. Header also remove. And finally, my requirement is I want to go with a header component, footer component, and same time I want to go with the image component. Let me try to create a header component, a const header, which is going to be okay. Return something. Return, which could be something like H1. Hello, I'm header. Okay, so hello, I'm header. Okay, maybe. Okay, this could be a arrow function. Just go like arrow function. This one. Just like arrow function, you create like arrow function. This is the header. Let me try to add the header here. Header. Okay. So now launch this terminal. Go to new terminal. Previous one I just closed, and npm start. So I'm just trying to writing arrow function. I'm trying to creating the header component on top of the screen. I want to represent the header component, and later we will have the footer component also. And let's see header component is there or not. Okay, not saved. Maybe header is so far. Okay, hello, I'm header. Header got, we got header. Okay, after the header, I want to show some image component or some article or img. So whenever you create a component, just go like, can I go like a frame? Let me go like a frame. Frame is equal to, it should be have something. Okay, return. I want to have return value should be something like this. And inside this, I want to show image. I want to show something like a image and text, right? I want to show something like a image and text. I need to show image. I need to show the text. So both I need to represent here. So I'm just giving the comments here. I don't have any image. I don't have any text here. But what my requirement is, I will create some other component for image and some other component for text. Okay. Const img or image. Const image is equal to, I want to have something like return img tag, img src, img src. At the same time, I want to have the text also. Const title. Let me give the capital letter. Title is equal to, I just want to give the arrow function again, and this is the title. Return a span. You can give the title like hello, I'm title. Right. So now my requirement is SRC. For SRC, I need to take some image, right? Let me take some images. Movies. Okay. Okay, so let's have something. Some movie, whatever it may be. So save, copy image address. Copy image address over there. Let's try to add this image and these two things, image here. And after that, text also, I just want to add, what is the text name? Title, right? Okay, for this image and title. And finally, I want to add the frame. I want to add the frame after the header. After the header, I'm trying to adding the frame. So frame, I'm trying to add it. So how many times you want to add the frame? You can add the frame number of times. That is not an issue. I'm trying to adding the frame for number of times. Okay, so now let's see the output of the program. You can see output of the program very clear, but image size is very, very bigger. Now, what my requirement is, I just want to reduce the size of the image. For image, I want to write a style sheet. Okay, for this style, I want to get some, let me define some style for that. Let me go, my style is equal to, okay, that is for img, right? Image style. Image style. I want to have something. What my requirement for image style is, let me give the width of the image should be 100 pixel and comma height of the image is going to be, width of the image could be 200 pixel and height of the image could be 150 pixel. Oh my God. This is my style and this is image style. Okay, this is about the image style and I want to give the title style also. And title style. Title style. And this could be an object and comma separated. Now this is the image style and this is the title style. Title, I want to give the color and background color. Color should be something like a blue and color blue and font style something like italic. Text align center. Comma. So missing comma. Fine. This is my style. Inside the my style, I have the image style. My style dot image style. So get my style here. My style. My style dot image style. And here for this title span, style is equal to an object and my style dot title style. So inside the my style object, we have the child object as a image style, and inside the child object, we will be having the multiple properties like a width and height over there. And finally, you will be having different things like this. But both are now, what is happening, image and title both are side by side. Why? Because of both are inline elements. Both are inline elements. That is the why reason both are coming side by side. What I can do after image, I will take a break. After image, I will take a break. Okay, so now you can see, hello, I am title and both are coming now. And finally, what my requirement is for frame, I want to design for frame, I want to design a simple thing. Frame style, right? Where is the frame? Frame is available here. For frame, I want to design some style. What is that? Okay, frame style. Frame style colon, it will have something like, what do you want for frame style? I want to give some border radius. Border radius 10 pixel. 10 pixel. 10 pixel should be in the single quotes. And I want to give some border 2 pixel or 3 pixel solid green. I'm just trying to giving something, but this should be inside the single quotes or double quotes. See, whenever you're writing the React style, it is having some rules and regulations. Please follow that. And background color, I want to provide I want to provide something like a pink or a light blue, light, light pink. Okay, fine. But where this frame style should be available, frame style should be available for the division. This is the division, right? Style and my style dot frame style. Okay, frame style. So please take it my style dot frame style for the division. Why? Because of division is a block. Oh my God. But the division is a very bigger one. Division is very bigger one. But inside the division, you will be having some frame. You need to design some frame. Frame should be, it is actually occupying full width of the page. Why? Because of that is division. Division is basically occupy full width of the page. Division is basically occupy for full width of the page. Let me have the span here. Instead of the division, I will take a span. It's a container element as a span. But some problem we got. Whenever I'm taking a span, we got a problem, we got an issue. That is not a right way. That is not a right way to take a span. And later we will discuss about the positions. With the positions, we can able to understand how we can able to adjust this one. Okay, how this will be. Suppose this is for block level. Division is block level. This is in the mobile interface and this is in the tablet interface. This is in the desktop interface. Later, we will try to attach bootstrap for this. Once you attach a bootstrap, automatically images are going to be coming side by side, or we will design one table kind of structure. When we design a table kind of structure, automatically images will come side by side. Let me go and try to work with the table kind of concept now. Inside this, I want to take a table. Inside this, I want to take a TR. Inside this, I will take a TD. And inside the TD, I will take this. Yeah, this one. Cut this one and put in the first TD. Cut this one and put in the first TD. This is my first table column. And multiple columns I want to add for the. Okay, better we can go without having copy paste. You create a table, separate component, and you try to attach the you try to create a TD as a separate component and keep into the TRs. That is better. But for your understanding purpose, just now I'm taking only two TDs. Okay, for the table, I want to give some style. Table attributes I'm trying to giving something like a border 2px style. Hmm, border 2px, width of the table should be 100% of the screen. Okay, let me go. And TD, for TD also, I want to define some style, and width of the TD should be, something like 25%, and every TD should be like that. This is the TD close, TD open and TD close. This one TD. Now you can see that. Maybe I got it, but better we can take multiple TDs. But this is not a right way. You have to create a separate component, and better you can place the different images in the same component. 25%. Okay, fine. Can I have the one more in the same row? If it is 25%, it will go in the next row, I think so. Okay, how many TRs are coming? Multiple TRs are coming, right? And TD, I'm checking a TD as 25%. That is the why reason it is coming like this. This is our requirement basically. This is our requirement in the coming concept. How I need to make a header fix and how I need to make a footer fix and all we will see. How I can make a header fix and how we can make a footer fix also we will see. And this text, I want to give the font weight. Font weight. I will give the bold for the font weight. Bold. Let me give the bold for that. Font weight as bold. Yes, yes, yes. That's fine. That's fine. Now the thing is for division. Where is the division? Division is something like a frame style, right? I will give some margin also. Margin 5 pixel for all sides, and 3px is very bigger. Just keep look feel good. Something is missing. If you miss something, automatically it will give you the issue. Background. Okay, 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 okay. All the things are coming fine. Okay, the component is good now, but here I want to take a as component. For example, the requirement, the basic cover requirement is this should be as a component. This should be as a component. Okay. Some more styles need to be added, and some more internal way of structure we need to add for this. And each and every title and image I want as component. That is a major agenda. But here I'm using a table structure. Yeah, table structure you can use for Bootstrap also. We can able to work on this. Later we can discuss about the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is better based on the device resolution. I can able to adjust my content. For example, here I am giving percentage mode. That is not an issue. So in percentage mode, even Bootstrap is not working. Here the Bootstrap is not working for table. That is a problem. The content is missing when you are compressing the screen and all. Okay. So later we will continue with the same application. This is a kind of project later we will do with the extension for this project. Okay. We will go through the props in the coming concept. Bye and do practice well. Please do subscribe my channel if people are not subscribed to my channel, you cannot able to see anything uh, updates. For example, this is my channel, so you can search like a code with the Srini. You can search like a code with the Srini. When you search like a code with the Srini, this is my image and this is our channel. And here in this channel, I'm trying to uploading lot of MERN stack videos. You can go with the playlist. You can go with the Python Django. You can go with the MERN stack. You can go with the JavaScript. You can go with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'm trying to uploading a lot of playlist also and adding more and more videos for the playlist. Please go and subscribe my channel, then you can get automatic updates. For example, if I upload some video, immediately you can able to get the notification and you can able to watch the video and you can follow the playlist and you can practice it immediately. Better you prepare for your interview, better you can get your jobs very soon. Okay, please share with your friends also. If any your colleagues or friends are available, playlist is better. You can able to crack your interviews and you can able to get your jobs and all very soon. I'm uploading a lot of videos for the MERN stack. I will upload a lot of videos for the Python Django, and very soon I'm trying to adding a more and more playlist for Java full stack and one more thing .NET full stack and one more thing mean full stack. Mean also I will try to go with mean stack. And people are asking about Vue.js videos also. I will upload a Vue.js playlist also very soon. Okay. So thank you. Please go and subscribe. Bye bye. Signing off. See you.